Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create farm account and Last Sea Survival. Creating a farm account and Last Sea City Survival is a smart way to boost your main account with extra resources, and the key rule is making sure both accounts are in the same state. To do this, you'll need a second account, which is easiest by cloning the game using your phone's dual app feature of a third-party app like Parallel Space. Once the clone app is set up, launch it and create a new character, making sure to select the exact same state as your main account. Keep in mind that older or crowded states may block new character creation, so this only works if the state still allows additional accounts. When successful, your farm account can gather resources daily, collect from buildings, and even join a game or same alliance as your main account to simplify transfers and support alliance growth. To maximize efficiency, keep the farm account low profile, avoid heavy combat upgrades, and focus purely on gathering and sending resources, allowing your main account to grow faster with minimal extra investment. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.